Arena Breakout Infinite, B203 Key, where is it, what's behind it, and most importantly, is it worth it? The easiest way to find this item or anything else in Arena Breakout Infinite is to check my map that I created linked down below. Simply come across here, type in what you're looking for, so in my case, 203, B203, click it, bam, it takes you straight to where you need to be. The B203 key is located here. This is the first floor, so just above the ground floor of the main hotel area, all the way down south on the map. Zooming in, right about here is where we need to go, this exact room. So I'll open up the in-game map, zoom into the furthest south area, down here, building B, we'll head up to Northridge Hotel 2F, the second floor, zooming in. This is the exact door that we need to go to. I'll mark it and we'll head across there. Just keep in mind this area is super populated, both with players and AI, so there's going to be tons of pushback when you come here. It is of course a hot zone, and this building over here is just to the north of this absolutely massive main hotel room, so this one over here. Let's do it. I'll find my way up and into this building over here. I did hear some shooting, so I'll need to keep my wits about me. Should be relatively safe, but finding my way in here, all we need to do is head up to the second floor, so just up here. Finding our way upstairs, all the way here, we'll clear this passage. Clearing this passageway here, we'll make our way down. We're just after this here. We've got 201, 202, 203. This is what we're looking for. I'll unlock this door on the east side. Inside of here, we have immediately to our left, 2 jackets. Pretty good. The first one for me contains, could be better. Second one could also definitely be better. Behind us is the bathroom. Unfortunately, no good loot in here. It is what it is. And inside of this main area here, a military computer right next to the bed. This contains, for me, could have been a GPU, just trash. That's okay. Finally, the most important thing in this room, besides the person watching themselves or something, we've got a safe over here. This safe, hopefully packed. Yeah, could definitely have been better. Overall, I've seen way better safes, but your luck may be completely different. I do like the fact that we have a computer here for a chance of some pretty good loot, and behind us, 2 jackets for a chance of some kind of key. The safe is always a good addition. This key is pretty cool. Could of course be better, as anything could be, but overall, it might be well worth the money. Do let me know down below what you find in here. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.